In 2026, a brutal new reality has set in. Hiring a human employee is now considered a luxury. Automation isn't just a threat anymore, it's the standard. A bot doesn't require a salary, it doesn't ask for health insurance, and it doesn't need to sleep. But governments have found a new way to level the playing field: an AI surcharge. Are we moving toward a future where being human is the ultimate status symbol and only the elite can afford to stay natural? World governments are now imposing massive taxes on AI usage to fund what's being called the Universal Basic Income, UBI, the paycheck you get just for existing. Millions are transitioning away from work and into life. But the fear is real. Is UBI the safety net we need, or are we just pets being fed by the machines we use to control? Are we losing our human purpose for a digital stipend? 2026 has created a new class system. Human made is the new organic. Hand baked bread, handmade furniture, and personal human interaction are now incredibly rare and expensive. We have automated our jobs, and in the process, automated our value. This new human tax isn't just economic, it's cultural. Can you afford to be an authentic human in a machine world? Point of VOV shot walking through a street lined with small shops, all with signs like AI cooked burgers and AI printed clothes. A sterile, efficient world. Should we tax AI to save humans? Type tax AI or free AI in the comments. The economy is changing faster than you are. Subscribe to AI Pulse to future proof your career. See you in the next one.